Are you a platinum member?
Yes.
You are. Oh, so you know about the benefits of platinum. Okay, you have the thing covered. I like that. I like that. I like that.
And
Go ahead.
I end up only paying $6,
Okay.
including the package.
Yeah.
Because I get the coupon.
He used the coupon. You hear that, people? He used this coupon. This man is a smart man. Already, he knows the benefits of the company and has been using it. This man is a smart man. So you gotta tell some art. That man here, a bigger muscle than me. Look on him. Yeah. All right, him say no. Him say it's not about the muscle. It's about being fit. All right, so I want you to make some reference to all the members of the gym. Get them on board as well. We're looking forward to that. And of course, it's a pleasure serving you. Looking forward to come back. I'm gonna come back with some of the muscle. No. How long are you here working, by the way? Over a year. Oh, that's why I muscle them little like. Look on the man, the muscle. Look on the man there. That man there are the real deal. Look on him. Yeah. That man there the real deal. Him a bulk. I mean Hulk. Anyway, this is how we do it on the delivery trail. Have a good one.